Hey, we're here at Camp One-Hagaloogie. We're gonna have a little spitting contest. So the first contestant we have here is Michael Kitorowski.
So I'm from Naples, Florida. I'm 16 years old and I've been spitting my entire life.
Yeah. And then we got your fave, me, as usual.
Where are you from?
I'm from like Nolensville, Tennessee, and I've been on the circuit for a couple of years now, just getting started in the business. So yeah, I wasn't allowed to chew till I was 12, and that kind of put me behind Michael's kind. They chew before
Yeah,
birth.
I was able to chew when I was like
Before
3 years old, I think.
Like in utero.
Yeah, that's how we do it. Alright, so we'll get started here.
Alright, yeah.
Go first, man.
No, you can go first.
No, you can go first.
No, you can.
No, please, you go first.
The way we do this.
Should I go first? Who thinks you should go first? Me or him? Let's see, they have like 10 hands up for you, so you can go first.
Okay. Alright. It's pretty far out there.
Yeah.
You're an intern. So, everybody better watch me. I'll tell you how he does. Oh, he's got like the snot method. Oh man, that's pretty far out.
Yeah, there we go.
That's like as far as his mom can. Yeah, alright, end the video.